With only 7.4 seconds to impress a hiring manager, you need to ensure that your resume is perfect to give yourself a chance of bagging an interview. So to help you create a job-winning document, we will walk you through 6 key steps that you need to follow. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get more useful videos like this one. Number 1. Do some research. Before you start writing your resume, it's a good idea to do some research on the role that you're applying for. Review the job application and make a list of keywords that appear throughout. This will help you tailor your resume. Besides researching the role, you should also find out more about the company and their culture. Number 2. Select the right format. Once you've done the prep work, it's time to start writing your resume. To begin, you need to select the format that best matches your specific career situation. Most people will usually select a chronological format like this example, which clearly lists work experience and education. However, if you're changing careers or have had a long career break, a skills-based or combination resume format may be more suitable. Number 3. Write a standout headline. A standout headline can sell your resume and make your skills stand out, but it's often an element that is greatly overlooked. So if you have a great deal of experience, create a headline that makes this stand out. For example, if you're a prize-winning journalist, you could add Pulitzer Prize-winning journalist and author. Number 4. Create a career summary. A career objective should be no longer than 2 to 3 sentences and should highlight your qualifications and include examples of your achievements. Make sure to tailor your career summary to the role that you're applying for and demonstrate your value with a few successes. Number 5. List your work experience and education. The work experience section of your resume is perhaps the most important. It gives the employer an insight of your work history and an idea of whether you have the skills and experience to succeed in the role. Each entry should include your position, job title, the name of your employer, the location of where you have worked, dates of employment, a short, optional description of the company if it's not a household name, a bulleted list of 4 to 6 of your most notable achievements. Don't forget to start each list item with an action word. Number 6. Showcase your skills. Your resume's skills section should comprise a mix and match of your most relevant soft and hard skills to showcase what you can bring to the table. How you display them will come down to how much space you have. As a general rule of thumb, you should list between 5 and 10 skills here. Depending on your background and the required experience for the position, you can list more, but limit the number to 20. Ultimately, the skills you include in your resume should be directly relevant to the job. Now that you know how to prepare your resume, you're one step closer to your career goals. But if you're still confused and need some more help, visit careeraddict.com, where our professional resume writers can help you craft a job-winning document. Career Addict offers professional resume writing services for all levels of professionals. So if you're in need of a job-winning resume, head over to our website, linked in the description below, and select your best-suited package. And don't forget to like the video and click on the subscribe button to get more insightful tips.